Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install any website as an app directly in your Chrome browser. This is a really handy feature that lets you access your favorite sites like their standalone apps, giving you a cleaner experience without all the browser tabs and toolbars cluttering your screen. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, navigate to any website you'd like to install as an app. This could be anything from a productivity tool, a social media platform, or even a streaming service you use regularly. The beauty of this feature is that it works with virtually any website you visit. Once you're on the website you want to turn into an app, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots there, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu with various options. In the menu that appears, carefully hover your mouse over the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. When you hover over this option, a secondary menu will slide out to the side, revealing additional features related to sharing and saving your browsing experience. This submenu contains several useful tools for managing how you interact with websites. From this submenu, click on Install Page as App. This option is specifically designed to convert web pages into standalone applications that run independently from your main browser window. By selecting this, you're telling Chrome to create a dedicated app experience for this particular website. After clicking that option, a small dialog box will appear on your screen. In this box, you'll see a text field where you can give a custom name for your new app. Chrome will typically suggest the website's name as the default, but you're free to change it to whatever you prefer. If you're happy with the default name, you can simply leave it as is. This name will appear in your apps list and taskbar, so choose something you'll recognize easily. Once you've decided on a name, click the Install button to finalize the process. Chrome will now create the app and add it to your system. The website will open in its own dedicated window, separate from your regular browser tabs, giving you a cleaner, more focused interface without the address bar and other browser elements taking up space. And that's it. You've successfully installed a website as an app in Chrome, making it easier to access and use your favorite sites with just a single click. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.